Morning people, day 15 of whatever fucking challenge this is. It's a day today. Do you want to go to the gym? Not fucking really. I got effort on 50. So that's that done. Oh, look at me shining. Anyway, yeah, I 3/4 asked today. I did also eat before I went, which is not normally a good situation. But yeah, I think I lasted about 34 minutes. 34 minutes, isn't it? We'll be back again. I might even go back later, you know. Might make no promises. I'm probably not going back later.